Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here around 5 minutes from the large town of Moraleda, where you'll find everything that you need from shops, bars, gymnasiums, schools and doctors, to a 25-minute drive to the city of Granada. We're at a countryside property that is fully fenced. It has around 17,500 square metres of land and about 400 metres of construction. Most of the land is planted to olive, so you'll have around 270 olive trees to care for. So we're in the province of Granada in Andalusia on a beautiful sunny day, as you can see, and we'd like to show you first the exterior of the property. So we're going to go through this beautiful gate to show you the pooL area. So we enter and there's a large terrace. Now this water feature, when you fill it, it's very much in the style of the Alhambra Palace. There are crossing fountains. It's very beautiful, and we do have a photograph of that you can look at. So as you can see, the pooL area is extremely private because you have such a large plot of land. Privacy here is not an issue. Nice sized pool. You have an outside bathroom. So if you're using the pool, nobody needs to go into or through the house. Actually, before we go inside, I think I'm going to show you some of the exterior parts of the house. So as you drive in through these gates, you would drive up here past the house, and then there's a large area where you can park, and there's also a double carport. There is a garage which the current owners kind of use a mixed space, which you'll see when we go in. It's very interesting. So this space opens out, so you've got a really beautiful large patio at the front of the property, and then just behind this fence here is a nice allotment or an area for chickens or goats, and then the land continues further on where you can see the olive trees. So here we have a 2-car carport. All very nicely built, nicely made. And then this is your garage. It's a really interesting space. And then we have this nice tree in the centre and the property behind. So we're going to go into the house. Look at these gorgeous doors. A little glimpse of what's to come. That's awesome. So in front of the house is this nice covered porch, and it looks like these beams are old railway sleepers. Looking at the size of them and the shape, so the beautiful summer swing, and then a nice open porch, and also a door that way. So as I said, this house is a little bit complicated, but we're going to go in through what would be the main entrance. So as we go in, there's a distribution hallway, nice high ceilings. And first of all, we're going to head left. So in this area, we've got a really cool sitting room with fireplace, as you can see, beautifully done. This is an area where in the winter it would be very easy to heat, and in the summer it's very easy to keep it cool. Nice decoration on the floors and a little kind of breakfast bar here. So we have this nice breakfast bar, and you can go through into the first kitchen, which, as you can see, it has everything that you're going to need. All nicely done, nicely tiled. Good quality cupboards. plenty of storage, a large pantry, and then through here is a laundry room. So the water is mains water and the electricity is also mains. There's a biologic septic tank here which is fully legalised. So you have everything that you're going to need. You don't have to worry about well water. And then as we go through, you can see that there are a few doors off the hall, and this is the bedroom block. So the first bedroom on the left, it's a good size, has an electric heater and inbuilt wardrobes. We go to the next bedroom, another really nice size bedroom. Again, inbuilt wardrobes. And these two bedrooms would share this bathroom. It's a large shower. Really, again, everything's great height ceiling, so there's a real feel of space in this house. And then the final bedroom is the principal bedroom. As you can see, it's larger, has some really good storage, nice size wardrobes and some shelving, always very useful. And then we go through to an ensuite. Now this ensuite is very interesting, I think, because not only is it very lovely, but it has another door here. And this door leads us out to another wonderful space, which means that you can close the door to the bedroom and anyone who is out in the next space I'm going to show you can come into the bathroom using this door we're about to go through. So you had a really quick view then of one of the owners. And again. So slightly different style in here. You can see nice high ceilings again, but this time the ceilings are wood beamed and wood, not plaster. So we go through and there's the swimming pool and these beautiful windows that we saw earlier. Got some lovely decorative tiling, nice stonework on the walls. And it really is just a beautiful, beautiful space. So you have a kind of seating area as well as another dining area. Gorgeous open fireplace. This is absolutely a must-see house. So we have another kitchen here. It's a different style to the other one. It's got lovely thick worktops, and I'm very fond of the way they've done the cupboards here. I do like that. They've got a touch of modern in amongst the older things, and they've tried to reuse some bits of wood and some doors from the original property and some other properties that they have. So you get a nice view down through to that eating area. And the notable thing is this breakfast bar here is a really good height. So we can go through to a large pantry. Great space. And then we have another door. I did tell you it was complicated, which opens out into this amazing room, which the family use mostly in the winter and for Christmas. So they gather the family around and have them in here with the fire going, playing games and eating. It's just an absolutely sensational space. And these beautiful doors here came out of one of their other properties. Now, if we go through the curtain, I promised you a garage, and here it is. So we could have come into here via those beautiful large doors that you saw, straight into this space. It's a nice room. Now, of course, if you wanted to, you could reinstate this purely as a garage, or you could use it as an extension of your space here. Now we're going to go this way first, through this little door. This bit's more farm. As you can see, it's not been changed at all. It hasn't been converted into living accommodation. It's purely for use for storage and for anything to do with the farm itself, with the olives. And there's another barn behind, as you can see. And if you wanted to, you could have animals here, or perhaps you could get permission to demolish this and redevelop this little bit of the property. So we're going to go back now into the garage space. And here we've got another barn, another large storage space. And then you can see that there's access through to the garden. There's several fruit trees on this side. And as we come out here, there's the chicken hut that we saw earlier. And they can very safely be put into this area here, or you could have that area completely as your own allotment. And there's this little gate down by the wall there where you can get through to the carport area. But I'd just like to go back in for a second. Back into the garage area. And as you can see from this house, there are so many possibilities. You can completely separate one half from the other half. So if you had a large family, they would have their own private space. Or if you wanted to rent part of the house out, you absolutely could. And then another room, as you can see, it's an art room off the garage. If you need an office, this would be a perfect space for an office. So we hope you've enjoyed this view of this amazing countryside property. We really do look forward to showing you around. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. Please do like and share our video. We appreciate it when you do that. It helps us with the algorithm. And we very, very much, as I said before, look forward to showing you around this really interesting countryside property. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.